children, welcome to our EuroKids Puri online classroom. I am your Shilpi Miss. So children, let's start our today's activity, and today we are going to learn how household things can be reused or recycled. So children, what we are going to learn? We are going to learn how can we reuse and recycle our household things. So children, you have to listen it carefully and you have to follow all these instruction or all these things. So children, what we can do? We can make gifts or card for family and friends instead of buying them. So children, in New Year, in birthday celebration or in anniversary, what we do? We simply go to market and purchase new cards. So children, we can also make cards using papers. Okay children, so by doing this we can save paper. So children, we have to make cards at our home. So children, now what are the other thing you can do? You can also buy second hand books instead of new ones. So children, when we have studied our studying was, so children, when we have completed our studying, okay children, now you are in Euro Senior, and when you go to your class 1, you can donate your books of Euro Senior to any needy people. For that, by doing this, you can save the paper and that people get the book and he will not purchase the book. So children, by doing this, we can save or we can reuse our paper. So children, we can also repair clothes, toys and appliances rather than replacing them with new one. So children, when our some dress or something get torn or our appliances get they do not work, what we will do? We stitch them. We stitch the cloth and we make the appliances good. We call the electrician and we tell the electrician to make it good. So children, by doing this, we can recycle or reuse our clothes and our electric appliances. And children, hire, share and borrow things rather than buying new ones where it is possible. And children, reuse old envelopes, cover the name and address with a sticker or paper. So children, if you want to post something and if you have old envelope, so just paste the old address. You can paste one piece of paper on the old address and you can use the old envelope. So by doing this, you again save paper. And children, what are the other thing? Save old egg cartons, toilet roll and ice cream tub to make art and craft. So children, in our home we buy so many things. So children, we have to look for the thing that can be used to make our craft. That may be your egg cartoons, that may be your toilet roll, or they may be your ice cream tubs. Okay children, so now this is the last thing. Cut the bottoms of milk cartoons and soft drink bottles, punch them holes in them and use them to plant seedling. So children, you drink cold drink, you drink other soft drinks in cans, in bottles. So when you finish your drinking, so what you can do? You recycle these cans and bottles. You can cut them and you can plant seedlings in them. So children, by doing this, you can also save or reuse our things. So children, you have to do these things, and by doing this thing, you can surely save our earth. So children, now we will move towards our next activity. So children, in our next activity, we are going to learn life on earth without the sun. So children, tell me at what time you can see sun? We can see sun in the sky at day light and heat. And children, do you know the sun is very important for us? And children, sun gives us light so that we in the daytime we get light. And children, the sun gives us heat also. So children, just imagine if there is no sun, what will happen? You have to imagine it. Sun gives us light, sun gives us heat. So if there is no sun, there will be no light. There will be all dark. So what we will do? We have to always use the electricity. We have to depend on the bulbs. We have to depend on the tube lights. And children, sun also gives us heat. So children, if there is no sun, what will happen? Our Earth's temperature will fall down and we will feel very cold. So children, it is very impossible for us to survive. And children, I have told you that plants also need sunlight to make their food. And children, if there is no sun, the plant do not make their food. So what will happen? All the plant will die. And if all plant will die, what we will eat? We will also die without food. So children, the sun is very important for us, because using this sunlight and sun heat, plants prepare their food. And children, we also need the sunlight and sun heat because our body makes vitamin D. So children, which vitamin we get direct from sun? So children, when we stand in sunlight, we get vitamin D. You have to learn this thing. We get vitamin D. So children, sun is very important for us. So learn these things, children. And now children, we will move towards our next activity. तो बच्चों, अब हम हिंदी पढ़ेंगे। तो सभी बच्चे अपनी हिंदी की किताब आओ मात्रा मिलाए निकालेंगे और उसकी पृष्ठ संख्या 34 को खोलेंगे। तो बच्चों, आज हम सीखने जा रहे हैं एक की मात्रा। तो बच्चों, यह है एक की मात्रा। तो बच्चों, यहाँ पर हम एक ही मात्रा लगाकर कई सारे नए शब्द बना सकते हैं, जैसे कि क में एक ही मात्रा लगाने से के, ल में आ की मात्रा केला, तो शब्द बनता है केला। उसी तरीके से हमारा अगला शब्द है पेड़। और बच्चों, पेड़ शब्द में कौन से अक्षर पे एक ही मात्रा लगी हुई है? यहाँ पर प पर एक ही मात्रा लगी हुई है। और हमारा अगला शब्द है सेब। तो बच्चों, सेब पर कौन से अक्षर पर एक ही मात्रा लगी हुई है? सेब में सौ पर एक ही मात्रा लगाई गई है। और बच्चों, हमारा अगला शब्द है तेल। तो बच्चों, तेल पर कौन से अक्षर पर एक ही मात्रा लगाई गई है? तो पर एक ही मात्रा लगाई गई है। इसी तरीके से हमारा अगला शब्द है मेज। तो बच्चों, मेज पर म में एक ही मात्रा लगाई गई है। और हमारा अगला शब्द है चेहरा। तो बच्चों, यहाँ पर बहुत ही जल्दी देखकर बताएंगे कौन से अक्षर पर एक ही मात्रा लगाई गई है? चौ पर एक ही मात्रा लगाई गई है। ठीक उसी तरह से तबले पर लौ पर एक ही मात्रा लगाई गई है। और हमारा अगला शब्द है शेर। तो बच्चों, यहाँ पर कौन से अक्षर पर एक ही मात्रा है? श पर एक ही मात्रा है। और बच्चों, हमारा आखिरी शब्द है नेता। तो नेता शब्द में नौ पर एक ही मात्रा लगाई गई है। ठीक इसी तरह से आपको इन शब्दों को पढ़ना है और इनका अभ्यास करना है। तो बच्चों, हम मिलेंगे आपकी अगली कक्षा में। बाय बच्चों।